Hey gamers, it's Kristin and I have another FabFitFun box for you. This is the Spring 2019 FabFitFun box. You guys know that I love this. This is absolutely one of my favorite things to unbox throughout the year. If you are not familiar with FabFitFun, I will give you the rundown very quickly. It is a subscription service that comes out once a quarter. Lost my mind there for a minute. That comes out once a quarter. It sells for $49.99, I think. If you use my code, you can get $10 off of it. I will list that below along with just the regular link. If you don't want to use my code, that is fine too. If you do, thank you so much. I get a little spiff if you use it. So anyway, so it has lifestyle things, beauty things, fitness things. I've said before, it's a subscription service that I like so much because it gives you things, or there are things in the box that you will use, but you wouldn't think to buy them for yourself. You know what I'm saying? So, having said all of that, I also want to make note that they sent this to me for free. I am not sponsored to do this video, though. There are some of both out there. This is not a sponsored video. They just sent me the box for free. And of course, all opinions are my own, as always. So I'm going to pull out the things and let's just get in to see what's in here. But I want to show you how fun the box is. You can see the outside, and then look how fun the inside is. It's just so fun and springy. And since we still have about 4 feet of snow out there, I'm ready for some spring. So the total value of the box depends on what you get in yours. And there are some things that are in every box. There are some things that you can choose to customize your box with. You saw me do the spring add-ons. You can do that sort of thing. And that was a video a little while back. I'll list the spring add-ons. I think they're sold out, but for you to understand, I can list that below. But anyway, so there's always a magazine here that kind of shows you the different things that you might get. So I'm going to put this right here in case I have a question on one of these things. I can take a look at this. Boy, I am so sneezy this morning, guys. I keep having to, I'm certain I'm editing out all of my sneezes. Okay, so the first thing that was in here, and this is an unplugged meditation aromatherapy diffuser. It says, turn your home into an unplugged meditation studio. Diffuse happy, it says happy, while watching the diffuser change colors for the ultimate Zen experience. So that is very cool. I have one in my office that I use that my friend gave me for my birthday last year. And oh, I wonder if that oil is happy. Let's just see. It says happy. Let's see what it smells like. I mean, why not? Oh, it smells citrusy and delightful. So I'm gonna try that out today, probably. So that's a great thing. I know that the diffusing oils and all that sort of thing is all the rage. So that's the first thing that was in, and that retails for $55. So if you get that, you've pretty much already paid for your thing. Okay, so next, I think you say these Key. It's Q-U-A-Y, and I'm fairly certain I've heard all the cool people refer to these as Key sunglasses. And these ones are in My Girl Black Smoke is what they're called. The style. And they are interesting. They are all matte along the outside with some silver, and definitely I'm not sure if this is I'm not sure if these are me or not. They're a little bug-eyed for me, but I have a friend that I think might appreciate these, so we're gonna probably pass those along to a friend. Okay, next up is this Livido aromatic body lotion in mandarin, orange, and bergamot. And of course it's sealed because safety first, friends. Let me just put a little on my hand and we'll see. Oh, that smells really nice. As it dries down, you can smell the mandarin and orange a little bit more. Like on first contact, it was like the bergamot, and I thought it was going to be too much, but no, I think I'm gonna like that. So that's good. I like that. Delightful. Let's see, this I was pretty excited about. It's so cute, and I've been talking about how I want a Swell bottle. We got one from work that I don't think it's actually the Swell brand, but it's the same idea. And I really have enjoyed using it, but it only holds like a 16-ounce bottle of water, basically. So I feel like, this one too. So I feel like that's not enough. I need like backup so I can have them lined up in my office. Anyway, so this is a Swell bottle. It retails for $20. And I'm just trying to see if it has cute little whales on it. And it's like a peach color. So that's fun. I'm excited about it. I'll stop. I know I always say I'm excited about things. Okay, Next, this is a Dr. Brandt No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. Now I can't remember if this is for sure the one I think that comes out. It kind of has like an orange flavor or an orange color to it, or if it's something different. Hold on. Yes, I just wanted to squeeze that up a little bit so you could see. I have a friend that really enjoys this. Well, he's not so much a friend, I guess he's not a friend so much as he's a gentleman that works at the salon that I go to. But I know him and we're friendly. So he really likes this. This was, I don't really have the puffy, super puffy eyes. And I find that if I use this when you don't have puffy eyes, it kind of is drying. So I'm gonna bring that to him. But this is, he loves this. So let me back up. He loves this. And I've heard other people that love this. So if you deal with some bagginess under your eyes, I think you would really enjoy that. So there is a jump rope in here by 11 by Venus. I'm going to assume that's Venus Williams. Yes, it is. Let's just pull it out of here, shall we? I don't know that I have jump rope. That's not my preferred cardio. But, you know, if it is your preferred cardio, here's a lovely jump rope for you. That's the fitness part of the FabFitFun, the fit part, I should say. I was going to put that back in the box. I don't think that's necessary. You guys, I'm all over the place today. All right, so this is by Way, and it's a leave-in conditioner. I'm excited to try this. I've liked a few things from Way before. This retails for $26, so I'm excited about that. Definitely with the extensions, I've tried to make sure that I'm getting extra conditioning, you know, in the ends to make sure that I'm keeping them in the best condition that they can be in. So yay. And then lastly, let me see if I can find this. This is by Mana Kadar Champagne Body Scrub. Who doesn't want to scrub their body down with some champagne so it looks like this? Let's open it and see what she smells like. You guys, it straight up smells like fruity champagne. Interesting. Well, we'll see how that works. I'm a big fan of the Dove one. You guys know I've been using that for a while now. I really like that. When I push my bangs on my face, I totally got champagne scrub on my face. All right, so that is all of the things that's in the Spring FabFitFun box. I hope that you enjoyed seeing this. If you're interested in what's on my face, I did a Get Ready With Me that is up already, I believe, with this look, but I will have everything listed below for you as well. And I think that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day, and in everything that you do, be beautiful. Bye.